All right, time for some Wednesday birthdays across the area, and we begin with John Tanner Stewart celebrating the big number 1. It says, so loved by Mommy, Daddy, Papa, and Nana. Happy birthday.
All right, Raylan Raquel Fuentes celebrating birthday number 1 as well. What a cutie there. Formerly from Oswego, Kansas, now residing out in California. Love Poppy and Nani.
And we've got Gracie Lovell in Arma celebrating birthday number 2. Happy birthday, Gracie.
Oh, what a sweetheart. And Cooper Miller. This is like cute kid day, I think. Cooper is 4 years old. He is in Columbus.
And over in Oronogo, we've got Wyatt Kaufman celebrating number 5 in style there with love from Grandma and Grandpa. Happy birthday, Wyatt.
This is why I never eat the blue cupcakes before the noon show. Yes. Jace Williams, happy birthday number 6 with love from Mom, Dad, and Cash.
And we've got Aaliyah Willoughby celebrating number 7. Happy birthday, sweet girl. We love you, Mom, Dad, and brother.
All right, Violet Marquez turning 10 years old this year in Joplin. We love you from your family.
And we've got Caitlin Ford in Chanute celebrating number 11. Happy birthday, Caitlin.
Ainsley Norton turning 17 years old this year in Girard.
And Cole Burns celebrating number 24 in Joplin with love from Grandma and Grandpa.
And Sarah Vaca, our friend Sarah turning 38 years old. Definitely doesn't look it. Sarah in Pittsburgh.
And we've got Misty Snow in Joplin turning 51, and she's the office manager at Cornerstone Medical. Hopefully Misty gets some time off today. Happy birthday.
Ronald Mercer turning the big 8-0 this year in Columbus.
And we've got Faye Pack celebrating number 88 in Chanute. And Faye is the gentleman in the blue shirt. Happy birthday.
All right. And Sue Trim turning 91 years old. Sue looking good there in Thayer, Kansas.
And last but not least, Indy Pipkin celebrating birthday number 9 in Lamar with love from Papa and Gigi. Happy birthday to all of you. We want more birthdays, and Tanya knows exactly where you need to send those birthdays.
That's right. All you have to do is send them to this email, birthdays@komnewsnow.com. Be sure to include all the details of who, when, and how old they are, but don't forget that picture as well.
And of course, while you're on our website, especially today, if you're checking out the latest on the forecast, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is really easy to do, and you get great deals from local businesses. And on top of that, and more importantly, a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So make sure you sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club by heading over to KOAMnewsnow.com.